Are you struggling to get new customers and generate sales for your new business? Well, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you the quick and easy way to generate a strategy that's guaranteed to get you more customers and generate higher sales for a new business. And the best part is, I'm going to show you how to do this without any research, any expensive tools, any marketing background. We're just simply going to use ChatGPT to generate a strategy that's going to help you step by step get to where you want to be, which is generating sales and getting new customers for your business. And we're going to walk through that step-by-step process together, and be sure to stick around till the end, because at the very end of the video, I'm going to show you how to rework this prompt to get more specific details to help you advance this even quicker and get more customers faster and get even more customers the right way. So without further ado, let's jump right in. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So when it comes to generating new small business customers, it's not easy, right? So don't worry, you're in the boat of starting a small business. You should be proud of the effort and everything that you've put in already to get to the point that you're at. We're going to help you take the next step. You've shown the initiative. Let's talk about what to do next. I pretended with this prompt, and I'm going to copy this and paste it in the description below so you can copy this prompt exactly, and I'll share the output as well. I'm just pretending I just started a small local lawn care business in Norwich, New York. Can you please provide me with a detailed marketing strategy to help me get my business found by customers? That's the key word here, found by customers. Please provide me with step-by-step instructions on what I need to do to get found. Please make this plan as detailed as possible, but break it down into steps that I can follow to execute the plan. Also, please provide an estimate of what each step will cost me, right? So that you can budget for this and figure out the best path forward. After I entered that prompt, check out this comprehensive plan. You're not going to believe it that it put together for me. So here's what I said. First, create a strong brand identity. If you watch my other videos, you know why that's important. Hire a graphic designer, choose a catchy, easy to remember name, and get branded uniforms, right? So this is why you follow this, but then put in your own local business, or put in your own business idea, put in your own location, because ChatGPT is going to think about it in context of your business. For me, branded uniforms or branded t-shirts would be a great idea for a local lawn care business. That's not going to matter if, say, you have an e-commerce shop, but this tool can be just as powerful for giving you the details on that as well. Then it says develop an online presence, use platforms like Wix or Squarespace. In my opinion, it should have said Mighty Sites. I'll put the link to Mighty Sites below. That's only going to cost you about $100 a year, and it creates a simple professional website, especially for a lawn care business. So, but it's going to give you ideas for others too. My just preference is Mighty Sites for obvious reasons. Local SEO, hiring a service, how much that's going to cost, create Facebook and Instagram accounts, right? So it even guided me as a lawn care business. Those are going to make sense for my business. Now, set up Google Business Profile. Claim local directories. Obviously, if you've seen my other videos, please check those out. We talk a lot about optimizing Google Business Profile and local directories, probably the most important thing you could do on this list. And now you can see it runs me through everything from flyers and brochures, regular posting, the promotions that I should come up with, where I should put reviews and testimonials, email marketing, and then it gives me a budget breakdown all the way through to everything I want to do. Now you can see, I can tell you, as somebody who's worked with local businesses for the last 12 years, this is exactly the type of plan you should follow. This is the type of plan that I would formerly have been paid to put together for clients and who had started a new local business and wanted to get new clients. This is exactly it. So I'm going to put this whole plan in the description below, so if you want to just follow along with it, you can use this plan for yourself too. But again, I would go in and put in a prompt that tweaks it more specifically for my business. Now, here's where I said at the end, I was going to show you how to make this even better. Now, what I would suggest you do is work with this plan from here forward to make it even better. So what I would do is take something like this, so let's just say Google My Business, right? Or Google Business Profile, set up and optimize your listing. So what I would take now is say, great, this is an awesome plan. Thank you. Can you please tell me specifically how to optimize and set up a Google Business Profile? So see, what I'm doing is now taking each of these points and now giving yourself even more detail to walk through each step. So, right, so from referral program to joining local business groups like the Chamber of Commerce. How would I collaborate with local businesses? What are some ideas for collaboration to drive referrals, right? That would be another question I could ask. Go in and now ask specifically for each step of the plan, ask clarifying questions so that you can get a really detailed plan for how to start getting new customers for your business. And you can see here, now it's telling me exactly what to do to set up my Google Business Profile. If you need a visual, check out my next videos, because I'm going to talk about how to add keywords and optimize your Google Business Profile. I've got a lot on local SEO. So If you're looking to get new customers, follow this, use these prompts, check out my videos for more tutorials on how exactly to achieve this and grow your local business. Thanks for joining me today. If you found this helpful, please hit that subscribe button. I'd really appreciate it. Please like it, and don't be afraid to share this with other local business owners. Thanks for supporting my channel. We'll catch you in the next video.